Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send a challenge to any user on the chess.com game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in chess.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official chess website. If you haven't already logged into your account, you will see the login button underneath the search box. You can simply click on this and then use your account credentials in order to log back into your account. Once you have been logged into your account, if you wish to challenge any user for a match, then click on the friends option at the top right corner. Once you click on this, you will find a create challenge link option. Go ahead and click on this and you will be able to choose your game style as well as the duration. After choosing both your style and duration, you can choose whether you want to play as white or black. You can also choose the random option, and then you can also choose whether you want this match to be a rated one. Finally, click on the copy link option and you can send this link to any user that you wish to play a match with. Once the user clicks on the link that you send, your match will begin and you will be able to play your challenge mode. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to send a challenge to someone on the chess.com game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.